Hello students, today we are going to discuss about your paper number 204E Industrial Safety 2. Its title is Industrial Safety 2. In this paper we were discussing about unit number 3 Controlling for Safety and Employees Participation. In this unit number 3, we have completed the discussion of controlling for safety in the earlier sessions, and today we are going to discuss about this employees participation in safety. So we start with this topic. In general, the greater the employee participation in the safety program, the more effective it will be. Means employee participate in more amount, or we can say more employee participate in a safety program, it will be more effective. Therefore, the organized safety program should include as many activities in which workmen can take a part wherever possible. Means organization have to arrange this kind of programs as many as possible so that their workmen can take part. Such activities include, there are different activities you can see here. Activity 1, safety campaigns and contests. Means by arranging safety campaigns and contests. Number 2, safety meetings and safety programs. By arranging safety meetings and safety programs. Number 3, first aid training. Number 4, plant fire brigade. Number 5, plant inspection. Number 6, accident investigation. Number 7, safety analysis. Number 8, safety suggestion systems. Number 9, safety inventories. Number 10, safety committees or safety organization. So this way there are many different activities. Mainly we have 10, and we will discuss each and every in detail. First we start with the safety campaigns. The value of occasional safety campaigns to accomplish a specific purpose has been much discussed. Such campaigns are of undoubted value if are properly timed and properly conducted. They are timely when a special situation arises that calls for a general awakening of safety interest. Means it is necessary to do it on time when there are that kind of some special situation arises, right? So they are timely when a special situation arises that calls for a general awakening of safety interests. For example, general laxity in wearing goggles, a general stillness in the safety work, a seeming pandemic of unsafe practices, or a run of accidents. Means it is timely where there is special kind of situations, right? To be effective, a campaign must be more than a rehashing of old stuff. Means કેમ્પેનને ઇફેક્ટિવ બનાવવા માટે ઓલ સ્ટફને નવું બનાવવા કરતાં પણ વધારે એક વસ્તુ રહેશે કરવાની ઓર્ગેનાઇઝેશને ટુ બી ઇફેક્ટિવ અ કેમ્પેન a campaign must be more than a rehashing of all stuff. Means to make a big change in all stuff, right? It is required to do big change in all stuff for making it more effective. There must be an element of newness, variation in presentation, new faces in measure rules, new assignments of responsibilities, freshening and intensification of effort. Means they have to make many changes, an element of newness, variation in presentation, new faces in measure rules, new assignments of responsibilities, a freshening and intensification of effort. Good planning and good leadership are required. A definite program set up and followed, a definite goal set, and a definite period specified. Means by good planning they have to define everything. The major drawback of such campaign is that after it is over there is a letdown. However, every campaign that majorly attains a worthwhile goal will have thereby scored some lasting gains, and even the letdown that follows will usually still represent in advance over the conditions that precedes the campaigns. So this is the main drawbacks of this kind of campaigns. Now we are having another point, safety contests. Safety contests are probably the most widely used of all devices for promoting safety interest and safety efforts. Means safety contests are very effective for making safety awareness among the people. This way we can say safety contests are probably the most widely used for all devices for promoting safety interest and safety effort. They are used to develop a spirit of rivalry in the interest of safety between individual in a departments in a plant, or the plants of a large company, between establishment in a given industry, between establishments classified as to industry, and size in a state or region. Means these kind of safety contests are also useful to develop spirit of rivalry in the interest of safety between individuals in a departments in a plant, or the plants of a large company, between establishment in a given industry, between establishments classified as to industry, and size in a state or region. So this way we can say they can spread widely. The development, promotion, and sponsorship of safety contests has long been an important service rendered by state and community safety councils under the inspirational leadership of the National Safety Council. Any trade associations have also found safety contests between their members to be very effective in improving the injury experience of the participants. Means many trade associations have found their own safety contest, and by this safety contest they have make very much effective environment in case of any injury experience. A very large number of plants used in plant or countrywide contests with benefit. There is no question but that safety contests in their various forms have had a large share in scoring the gains made through the years. A study of the methods used and the accomplishments appear to justify emphasis on certain points. Means a study of methods used and the accomplishments appear to justify emphasis on certain points. Perhaps the most important point is that the contest rules must be clear and definite and fair to all contestants. Means it is very important that the rules must be clear, contest rules must be clear and definite and fair to all contestants. The basics, the basis of classification and scoring must be such as to give all participants. The basis of classification and scoring must be such as to give all participants as nearly an equal chance to win as possible. Much ingenuity has been used in developing scoring systems to accomplish this. But in general, the simpler, more easily understood the contest basis, the better. Just as in any game, rules that are not easily understood by the participants seriously inhibit enthusiastic wholehearted participation by the contestants. So this way contest rules must be very simple, clear, definite and fair for all. So by having simple understanding, everyone can participate. Every contestant may participate very easily by simpler rules and by genuinity. And company or organization have main goal to involve more people if they have making developing scoring system much more higher or equal for winning. It should be obvious that the success of a safety contest should not be judged mainly by the excellence of the winning program. It should be obvious that the success of a safety contest should not be judged mainly by the excellence of winning performance or the attendance and the enthusiasm at the award presentation. Means it should be for participation purpose only. It should not be for judging, right, the excellence of winning performance or the attendance, right? So this way we can say this kind of contests are arranged for mainly the more employee participation, not for judging the excellence. The benefit accruing to the non-winners. Much more important are factors that indicate the benefits accruing to the non-winners. Such factors as the proportion of those eligible in each class who actually entered, the promotion of the entranced who drop out, and the effect on the injury records of the non-winners, and for the rest from the winners are valuable indicators. So this way they can involve organization can involve more and more people in this kind of safety contest. Perhaps the guiding principle in setting up and prosecuting a safety contest should be the greatest good for the greatest number. Unfortunately, considerable discredit has been cast on some contests. Unfortunately, considerable discredit has been cast on some contests and some low injury rate records through interparticipation of the rules in a manner that most persons regard as a form of cheating. Chiefly, this applies to the practice of bringing the injured worker back into the plant on the next day after the injury and giving him made work in order to avoid counting the case as a disabling injury. Mainly, the purpose of this kind of contest are to save their workers from big injury, make them work in an efficient way, avoid counting the case as a disabling injury, right? While this practice of bringing them back in wheelchairs is probably far more prevalent in the telling than in the doing. It nevertheless has gained sufficient belief to discredit seriously many fine safety performances, some of which were not connected with safety contests. Means there are many different activities has been done in an organization. They are not, we can say, connected with this safety contest. However, it does not appear that the actual volume of such cheating has been great enough to make the difference between an excellent safety record and a poor one. It has, however, made some records appear to be better than they actually were. So this way we can explain about safety contest in different detail, and you may have question in examination from this, like short note on safety contest, and then safety campaigns, etc. Now we are having our third point, safety meetings and safety programs. Safety meetings are safety meetings are standard practice in establishments whose safety performance is good or superior. Means safety meetings are arranged for making person whose safety performance is good or superior to establishment whose safety performance is good or superior. They are routine in production, and adding safety is merely a step in the incorporation of safety into all phases of plant activity. They are routine in production, and adding safety is merely a step in the incorporation of safety into all phases of plant activity. Some managements include safety intimately in routine staff or personnel meetings. Means many management committee have included into routine life, routine staff, day to day. Others hold separate meetings. Some have meetings weekly or even often. Others hold separate meetings. Some have meetings weekly or even often. So week-wise safety meetings arrange, or some organization often arrange safety meetings. Others have bi-monthly or monthly meetings. Some have regular safety meetings for supervisory personnel, but leave it to each foreman to have meetings of his crew when he feels the need. Means it is depends on the organization and management to arrange meetings. Some arrange meeting weekly, some arrange meetings monthly, some arrange meetings bi-monthly, some arrange meetings very frequently. It is depend on his crewmen when he feels the need of safety. Others schedule such meetings regularly. Almost any such system works well, provided that it has the essential element of executive interest and supervision. Without that, no system will work well. Means almost any such system works well. This is necessary, provided that It has the essential element of executive interest and supervisions. This is very necessary, important. Extra meetings outside of working time are often helpful if the element of entertainment is sufficiently included. Means extra meeting outside of the working time are often helpful if the element of entertainment is sufficiently included, or if they can be merged with some community or group interests or activities such as church, school, athletic club, and so on. Means more employee can participate with interest. It is required to make them, we can say, it is required to make them very entertaining, or we can say it is merge with some community group, then it will be more effective. So this way we have discussed about safety meetings and safety programs. Now we are having topic of plant fire brigades. The responsibilities, the distinction, and the chance of excitement make membership on a plant fire fighting. The responsibility, the distinction, and the chance of excitement make membership on a plant fire fighting and fire prevention brigade attractive to most men. Fire prevention brigade attractive to most men. Membership can be largely rotational, much as is the case with first aid training. Such participation is strongly stimulative of safety, mildness, right? So, the responsibility, the distinction, and the chance of excitement make membership on plant fire fighting and fire prevention brigade attractive to most men. So, this is about plant fire brigades. Now, our point number 5, safety suggestion systems. Every management should realize that the aggregates brain power and resourcefulness of its rank and file workmen is a versatile gold mine of ideas if it can be trapped. Means everyone have different mindset, different brain power. So every management should realize that the aggregate brain power and resources fullness of its rank and file workmen is a versatile or veritable gold mine of ideas if it can be tracked. It is like a gold mine, veritable gold mine of ideas if it can be trapped. A properly designed and administrated suggestion system is an effective means of tapping this latent safety knowledge and ingenuity. A properly designed and administrated suggestion system is an effective means of trapping this latent safety knowledge and ingenuity essential to its successful operation are: number 1, management must really want suggestions from its workmen means this kind of essential successful operations are means safety suggestion system from their worker. Number one, management must really want suggestion from its workmen. Number two, every suggestion must be taken seriously and it is not usable. An explanation must be made to its author as to why it is not. Action in each instance should be prompt, or the reason for any necessary delay explained. Action in each instance should be prompt, or the reason for any necessary delay explained. Anonymity should be respected if desired by the maker of the suggestion. Reward should be in reasonable relation to the value of the suggestion. If the plant is organized, the corporation of the union should be sought. So this is how the suggestion system from the worker, their worker, if it is required, or we can say their worker can give more suggestion if the management must really want suggestion from its workmen, right? So this way we can say that safety suggestion system will be more effective if all employees participate in that, all employee participate in that. Now we discuss about safety cartoons. Safety cartoons. So here we are having safety, the topic of safety cartoons, right? So in this topic we can say that cartoons showing bad practice, bad conditions are widely used because their effectiveness in promoting interest in safety means safety cartoons are used widely when there is bad condition, right? uh, to promote the interest of workmen, their workers. Safety cartoons are very effective. They appeal to the same side of the human nature that IQ tests and crossword puzzle do. They appeal to the same side of human nature that IQ test and crossword puzzle do. Means safety cartoon also applies like IQ test and crossword puzzles, right? So this way cartoons showing bad practice and bad conditions are widely used because of their effectiveness in promoting interest in safety. So this way we are having the topic of safety cartoons. Now we are having role of worker. Topic of role of workers. To number one, to check all guards, fencing, safety devices and equipment before and after starting of work. At the time to shift start and shift end. Means what is the role of worker in any organization industry. Here it is mentioned role of worker. Number one, to check all guards, fencing, safety devices and equipment before and after starting of work, at the time of shift start and shift end. Number two, follow the safe methods of working. This is also very important role of any worker. Number 3, use and ask for safety guards and PPEs. This is very important to use and ask for safety guards and PPEs, personal protective equipments. Number 4, to keep good housekeeping at workplace. Number 5, bad and wrong habits to avoided at workplace. To participate in safety committee meetings. To participate in safety committee meeting. To know about immediate danger to his workplace. To know about immediate danger to his workplace. They should analyze their mistakes and failures leading to cause incidents. Avoid hurry, shortcuts, chance taking and overspeed and overconfident. Means any worker's role, this kind of role is very important in work in a safe manner. Number 10, misuse or neglect of appliances which leads to damage. Number 11, to keep equipments and machineries in safe working conditions. Number 12, not to interfere in any others' work. Number 13, they should provide guidance to new workers. And number 14, suggest their views to keep safety of his department. So this is how overall role of worker mentioned over here. We are having different points like checks, all guards and everything. They have to here different role of worker mention here. And mentioned here. So students, today we are concluding our lecture here. In the next session we will be with our next point, role of supervisor. Till then students, thank you all, stay connected. If you have any difficulty then you can ask by WhatsApp or SMS. Till then, thank you all. કાન મમ્માએ તને કેટલી વાર કીધું કે બોલ નહીં કરવાનું બેટા. મમ્મા રેકોર્ડિંગ કરતી હોય. પડદો નાખેલો છે, એસી બંધ કરી દે, ઓલું બંધ થઈ જશે, બહારથી હવા નહીં જાય તો ખરાબ થઈ જશે. આટલું બધું કાઢીને બેઠા ને કાંઈ ફાયદા. હાલ આપણે એસી